If your Facebook Messenger notes has disappeared and you don't know how to bring it back, here's how to fix this problem. And here's how to bring back the availability of sharing the notes with your friends. So watch until the end and I'll give you a very good tip how to avoid this problem in the future. So first of all, on your phone, locate your messenger icon. There it is. Now hold your finger on it and let's press on the information icon. After that, let's press storage. Now press clear data. Then you gotta press clear cache. Confirm your choice by clearing cache. Good job. Now let's go back and let's see app permissions. So make sure that you have all the necessary permissions. Let's give the permission to use notification, camera, then let it be contacts, then location, and basically that's all the permissions which we need to give. After that, let's go back to our Play Store, search for your messenger, and make sure that you don't have any update icon. If you have not open but update here, simply press to update it and it's gonna fix the problem. Now let's open it up. Great. And there we are. We can see our notes. So it worked, and basically that is it. Sometimes to make your changes work, you need to reboot your device. It's totally fine. Do not be afraid of it. Do that. So here's a little tip. Make sure to update your messenger on time. So like twice a month, just check for the updates or set it so it would be updated automatically, because updates fix a lot of bugs. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.